Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look where we are. I feel like we were just here, but today we're actually going to be swapping the exhaust on the Redeye. I bought AWE, what's the name of that? AWE Touring catback. I bought it used on Facebook for a really good deal. So we're going to be installing that on the Redeye. I also got a set of catless midpipes we're going to be throwing on as well. I'm eventually going to do headers, but to start we're just going catless mids and the catback. So Jack's working on taking the exhaust off right now, and I was helping him until I stopped to film this intro, even though he might not say that. But yeah, you can see my truck is out there. The boxes are in the back seat, or the trunk, and we're going to get the old exhaust off, the stock exhaust, and then we're going to throw the new one on and hear how it sounds. So my brother's filming right now. We'll get some clips of us doing this job, and it shouldn't take that long, honestly, but it's like 100 degrees outside, so trying to get it done as fast as we can. All right, a little heavier than I thought. Hold on, let me get a grab.
Grab me one too.
Oh, I got some on my seat. Dude, come on! Oh, you got the oven mitts on. Fuck, this is hot too. All right, shimmy and pull back. Left and right, left and right. I'll catch with my head. Left and right. There you go. I hear it coming. Stop looking at me at the... He's looking at me at the eyes. Stop down there. Bro, is he coming out? I don't know. I'm not looking at you. This is the most ghetto thing ever. I don't know if it's coming out. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, lift more. You gotta lift. There you go. Left and right. Here she comes. Big left and right. Whoa. How much more is there? You took it out an inch already. Oh. Here she comes. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. Oh my god. Let's put the snapper away.
Dude, this thing was like brand new still. There's not even rust on it.
It's a dealio. So clip down and just a push and pop. A push and pop. Push and pop. Catless, baby. So now we're going to do an open mid-pipe start on the Hellcat Redeye. Basically, this is what it would sound like if we put dumps on the car. I've actually always wanted to know what it would sound like, so it's actually a good idea. Good idea. Anyways, last clip on the SRT8 went viral when we did this, so we got to do it again. Closed garage too is crazy. Bro, that sounds so good.
That does sound good.
Alright, if I don't like the way this sounds, we might have to just keep it like that.
Jedi mind tricks over here.
Bro, what?
No, it's like this. Look.
Am I dumb?
One of these numbers.
I agree. No, I think it goes the other way.
I'm thinking this probably goes over.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, there you go. Look at your hanger.
Yeah.
Love it.
Sideways would have been tough. Wait,
I wouldn't mind that. I've always wanted that.
we should fab that. Once I start to run 8s, we can put a side exit.
8s.
Yeah.
That's fuck that feels fast. What do you think this would run stock?
Low 10s.
Low 10s?
Yeah. It runs low 10 stock, but this isn't stock. I might be able to crack a 10-0 or a 9-second pass right now, bro. Like what it's on.
That's interesting.
Bros,
Go in a circle like that. Like push it and go in a circle. There you go.
can you hold on a second or no?
No? Why?
Because we gotta put it inside of the,
In the hanger?
yeah.
Well, then fucking do it, dude. What do you mean?
It's hitting, bro.
That's like pretty good there.
Yeah, that's better. We should have lubed her up.
Spit on it.
Tip sticky. Jack, come suck on this.
Why am I the candy for that? I'm thinking we might be ditching the spring. I'll be honest.
Dump up the whole damn.
Oh yeah, look. They ditched the spring.
Do you have it?
Give her the old yanking turn.
How about that shit?
Coming down. Not yet, bro. Coming down. Hold on.